Good morning, student. I am Satnam Kaur. I am going to explain our next chapter, distance formula. Distance, what is the distance? We know that distance between two persons, distance between 2 points. Now, in this chapter, we will deal with the distance between the given points on the line or on the graph. Now, see, there are distance formula. There will be formula will x2 minus x1 square plus y2 minus y1 the whole square with the square root sign. Square root is on whole. We can't cancel this square root with square. Now see, the point is given minus 3, 6, 2 and this is a and b. First point become x1 y1, next point become x2 y2. Now we will put these value of x1 and x2, y1 and y2 in this formula and we can solve it. X2 2 minus 3 because minus is there and 1 minus is in the formula, so 2 minus will be there and we can't open it with a square b square. We just solve within the brackets. It become 5, it become 12, square will be there, then square it, then solve it, find the square root of this value. Now, when the value we have to find the distance with the origin, then we have to take by ourselves the point origin as 0, 0. It become x1, y1 and the next point given will become x2, y2 and we can put these values in this formula. Now, if the distance between the given, see, distance is given. Now, what? That means this point and this point have the distance 5. Now the answer is 5. That means we will equate the formula with 5. Don't cut this square with square root because this is separate, this is separate. Now solve it 9 and solve it this x minus 1 and we have to taking the squaring both side. It become 25 and this, now if I take the square on the whole seat, then this square will be cancelled with the square root and this square root will be cancelled. Now I can take the formula x minus b whole square. I open it, then split the middle term. By splitting the middle term, I find the value of x, 5 and 3 minus 3. That means my answer, this becomes 0 and 5 and 0 and minus 3. Please try to do it. This is a so simple. Only one formula we have to use. Nothing to do. Put the value and do the calculation. But do the calculation very efficiently. So please try to do it, students. To explain the next concept of the chapter 28 distance formula. Now see, in our statements you can see there are given few points. Just we have to identify this is which type of triangle or this represent a rectangle or any quadrilateral. So see students, nothing is to do. Simply we have to use the distance formula. First I will find the value distance between PQ formula, PQ point, then distance between QR point, then distance between PR point. According to distance I can identify the type of the triangle or type of the quadrilateral, that is rectangle or any other thing. So see, just apply that formula x2 minus x1 square plus y2 minus y1 square with the square root. We already done this. Now according to next statement, there is given the point on the y-axis, the point on the x-axis. If the point is given on y-axis, then I will take 0y. If the point is given on x-axis, then I will take x and 0 because on x-axis x is present, on y-axis y is present and this point is equidistant from two given points. This point P 0y, point on the y-axis, that is equidistant from this 5 2 and minus 4 3. This is the question number 9. Now what to do? Because P distance with A, P distance with B, that are equal. That means distance of PA will be equals to distance of PP. I will apply the same formula. X2 minus x1, y2 minus y1 the square root, same way this. Now this become x1 y1, but when I find the distance with A, it become x2 y2. When I find the distance with B, then it become x2 y2. Again apply this formula. Now just solve the calculation. Don't cut this square with the square root please, because these are the individual squares. I have to taking square in both side. That means there will be whole square both side. Then this whole square will be cancelled with square root. Just do the calculation. We can do it. Take the y on one side, then simple constant values to the other side, then solve and find the value of y. Then this is my answer, that is 0 and minus 2. Please try to do it. Nothing is there, students. Just we have to apply the formula, put the values, do the calculation and we can do it. So okay, thank you.